Unraveling the Meaning of Loafing. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fun and colloquial English phrase that you might hear in casual conversations: loafing. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what it means but also how to use it like a native speaker. Loafing originates from the word loaf. But no, we're not talking about a loaf of bread here. In this context, a loaf means to spend time idly, to be lazy. When someone is loafing around, they are generally not doing anything productive, and instead, they're just hanging out, often in a relaxed or lazy manner. Examples: instead of loafing around at home, why don't you come out and play soccer with us? She spent her entire Sunday loafing in her pajamas and watching movies. Just like many English words, loafing also has its variations which are used in different contexts. Yet they all revolve around the idea of being idle or lazy. 1. Loafer, a person who is lazy or idle, especially habitually. 2. Example: he's a loafer, always avoiding work and responsibilities. 3. Loaf about, around. Phrasal verbs that mean to spend time idly or lazily. 4. Example: she likes to loaf about the park on sunny days, just enjoying the scenery. Now that you know what loafing means and its variations, let's understand its usage in different contexts. 1. At work. If someone accuses you of loafing at work, they're implying you're not doing your job efficiently or spending too much idle time. 2. At home. Loafing at home usually has a more positive connotation. It suggests relaxation and taking a break from the hustle and bustle of daily life. 3. In conversation, you might hear someone say, "I've been loafing all day and feel so relaxed." In this context, it's a casual way of saying they've been taking it easy and not doing much. And that wraps up our journey into the world of loafing. Now, the next time you hear someone mention that they've been loafing around all day, you'll know exactly what they mean. And perhaps, on a lazy Sunday, you too can indulge in a little loafing of your own. Remember, language is not just about words but the culture and nuances behind them. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.